Hi, this is Kit Welchlin, and welcome to Welchlin.com. Today's video blog is on negotiation and conflict resolution. The question is it competition or cooperation? Kit, I've always been competitive. I love a good contest. I love to win. However, the older I get, the more cooperative I've become. Am I tired or just more willing to hear both sides? Are my cooperative intentions a weakness? Often conflict situations create an us versus them atmosphere. It feels like a competitive event rather than a cooperative engagement. I think it would be great if we could create a climate for creative cooperation. If we are open and honest with each other, we can create new alternatives that neither of us alone would have dreamed. If we approach conversations, conflict resolution, and negotiation as a problem-solving event with a spirit of adventure, discovery, and creativity, who knows what truly unique ideas we could generate? If we begin discussions with the belief that the parties involved will gain more insight from a perspective of mutual learning, we can generate more courses of action. When we create a supportive communication environment, that enables people to really be open to learning and to listening to each other's ideas. And creative brainstorming is a natural outcome. The more authentic and genuine you are in conversation, the more likely the other party will feel safe to express themselves honestly. This honesty can produce new insights, ideas, and alternatives and creative cooperation. The key to creative problem-solving, conflict resolution, and negotiation is to value differences. Your attitude can be a genuine interest to understand, to explore the differences, and to see these differences as a valuable resource for better understanding and for creating better agreements. Valuing the differences is an important attitude and mindset. It helps you appreciate the lively interactions that come from open and honest discussions with the other party. Value the differences because it clarifies your understanding. Wow, I see this differently now. I understand where you're coming from. I love the idea of creative cooperativeness. I just need to figure out how I can be the best at it. Competitively, cooperative, creatively. Yeah, I think that might work. Thank you for watching this video blog on negotiation and conflict resolution. So the question was, is it competition or cooperation? I think we need to prepare like it is a competition, but be willing to participate like it is cooperation. Creative cooperation isn't a gimmick. It's a game plan where both sides can win. If your organization is struggling with communication issues, contact me at kit@welchlin.com and I will provide a presentation that will help.